Hey, I'm sharing the one secret that separates successful agents from those who are just getting by. And let me tell you, this isn't something you'll find in a real estate handbook or a basic training seminar. It's something I learned the hard way. And once I did, it changed everything for me. So, are you ready for it? The number one secret all successful agents know is this: it's not about houses, it's about relationship. Let me break this down for you. Early in my career, I thought being successful meant selling as many homes as possible, as fast as possible. I was focused on closing deals, not building relationships. Big mistake. What I realized is that people don't just want an agent, they want someone they can trust, someone who gets them. When you focus on truly connecting with your clients, the sale comes naturally. And here's the kicker: those clients will refer you to their friends, family, co workers. Your business will grow like wildfire because of those relationships. Here's the first thing you've got to do: lead with value. So it's value, 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 value. Instead of asking, how can I get this person to hire me? Ask yourself, how can I help this person? For example, if someone is thinking about selling, offer a free home valuation or send them a guide on how to prep their home for the market. If they're buying, share insights on the best neighborhoods or upcoming listings. When you focus on helping instead of selling, people will see you as their go to expert. Consistency is everything. Building relationships take time, so don't just disappear after the first conversation. Here's a simple plan: send handwritten thank you notes after meetings. Follow up with a quick text or call every few weeks to check in, and or share market updates or helpful tips through email or social media. The more you show up, the more you'll stay top of mind, and top of mind is top of sales. And trust me, when they're ready to buy or sell, you'll be the first person they call. Here's the best part: you don't have to pretend to be someone you're not. The most successful agents aren't the ones with the fanciest suits or the slickest sales pitches. They're the ones who are real, relatable, and authentic. People work with people they like. So show them who you are, share your story, your personality, your passion. When you're authentically you, you'll attract clients who are the perfect fit. At the end of the day, the secret to success in real estate isn't a fancy script or a magic formula. It's you. It's how you make people feel, how you show up for them, and how you build those relationships. That's the fierce formula in action. Is how I went from a brand new agent to listing 64 homes in my first year. And now it's your turn. So here's your homework, Fierce Warrior. Start focusing on building relationships today. Call one person, offer them value, and show them you care. If you do that every day, I promise your business will change. And if you're ready to take your career to the next level, join me in the Fierce Formula community. I'll teach you everything you need to know to create relationships that last and listings that close. My friends, be fierce, be fearless, and always be you. Let's go crush it. Thank you so much. Much love, Def Spence.